Hey everyone, and welcome to another SEO Tuesday tutorial. So this one is about Google My Business and an issue that we're seeing for the mid-June of 2021. So it looks like Google is doing a lot of updating to their services tab, a lot with AI. So we'll zoom in here a little bit. All right, and when you're on your page inside of Google My Business and you click on the Services tab, you would think you would get a list of services. So if we click on this, we're going to see that we're not actually seeing that list, but we're seeing a 502 error. Let's take a look at that. Okay, so this is what we get, right? It's a 500 error saying that, of course, that this is broken, right? So this is nothing to panic about. This is happening across multiple Google My Business listings. It's not something that's probably just specific to yours. Understand this is going on. But you can send feedback, and we'll show you how to do that now so that you can show Google what's wrong. Let's go do that now. All right, so if you're having this problem where you click on services and you get that 500 error and you want to go ahead and send back support, you can come to this bottom and click on this support, and this will open up a way that you can highlight your screen and let them know what is wrong with your business listing. So we'll go ahead and click on this support now. Notice this all comes up, and if you want, you can skip all this and come on down to the bottom and say send feedback. This is going to be the way that you can actually screenshot and send to Google what you want them to let them know. Okay, so this takes a few seconds for the screenshot to load, so we can start typing up here. Even though it seems like there's not really a place, it actually does give us the cursor. So this is where we'll say, something like having an issue with services link in left vertical menu. I get a 500 error when trying to click this link. And if you might want to really give a really detailed report, you could tell them what operating system you're on, what browser you're using, and the time and day. That would be very helpful if you really want to know how software development folks work and how you might get the most response from that. So now to click on the area that we want to highlight or hide, we'll go ahead and start this. Notice you can black out anything you want with this black, and that's not important right now. Or you can say we're going to highlight this. So when we have this, we're going to come over and we're going to highlight the services area, because that's the problem. When we click on this, it creates a 500 error. And then we'll go ahead and click done. All right, check our text, and like I said, you might want to put this in a different wording for yourself, or if you're seeing a different error. And then we'll go ahead and click send. All right, so I hope that's helpful here in mid-June of 2021 and seeing the issue with Google My Business and the Services tab on many different Google My Business listings are having 500 errors, right? So I hope this helps, and if you need any help, you can always come over to BTFOOM.com and talk to us through the contact page. Thanks, and I hope this helps.